Well, here's our ELRUSTO yank. Did some dodgy as rusty welding. Well, actually, that's not too dodgy. Bit of splatter, but hey, I've got no gas. So, put a wheel there. Steering. A little bit of extra bracing. Ow, hit my head. Ow, I'm almost hitting my head. Oh, it's the same spot and that was sharp, man. Oh, you bastard. Oh, ow. Ow. At least I left a bolt in that side so it made a bigger flap of skin hang off. Ow, jeez. And I took, well, actually I haven't taken that off. I've left it hanging there to cut the back of my noggin. Awesome. So anyway, a little bit of dodgy welding. Oh, duck. So, made it sort of a box section. Well, it's C section the whole way through, apart from where I put those in there. So, I welded some nuts on the bottom of those bloody studs that came out the other car, so I could do them up through there, down there, and out the bottom of there. So, she got a bit of play, but anyway, I wonder what's going to happen. Well, hopefully Mr. Full bench. Here we go, let's try. Going down. Oh, there goes one of the cat balls. Oh well, it's going. It is moving. Shit, it might be a bit low. I might not be able to get the bloody jack out from bugger. Might be able to get the lift out the hoist out from there. Alright, shall I slow down? No, let's see what happens when we hit the ground. Oh, okay, so we have touchdown on the back. Going down on the front. Oh wow, hang on. Yes, we have touchdown there as well. Alright, the lift doesn't go any lower. Oh yeah, it's folded in half. Bloody brilliant, perfect. Okay, this time I've welded a box section on. Oh shit, I missed a bit there. Anyway, put a bit of angle on across the front, because that there turned into trapezium, whatever that's called. So anyway, we'll give it a go this time, because no wheels equals no movie carry. We have back wheels down, we have touchdown on the back. Whoops, something happened there. She's down, but I don't know what's going on, but anyway. Oh, she's down. She's down and Dad is holding. Oh, hang on, don't put my toes under there just yet. I heard a funny creaky noise or two. Right, what a mess. But anyway, I wonder if I can push it. Oh, still got to get these arms out, don't I? Oh yeah, they go. Wicked. Look at that. It's a Sinclair C5 trike. It weighs about, I don't know, probably still weighs close to bloody a tonne, even without all the running gear. Right. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to have a hard job turning, and I wonder if I push it, if I hit anything, that'll probably just go, because I forgot to weld the bottom on underneath that beam. Oops. Yeah, bugger. Oh, she moves. Bloody hell. This is going to be sketchy. Wow, we have movement. Drive shaft and exhaust are dragging on the ground, so they'll hook up on everything. Man, bugger.